I'm happy to join the Asian College of Teachers as Associate Dean. Now, why did I decide to join the Asian College of Teachers? First of all, teacher education is my field. I started my career as a teacher educator at Delhi University Department of Education. Later on, I went on to become an educational administrator in a state board of school education, and then I retired from the National Institute of Open Schooling as Director Academic, which is an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. So, first of all, I would say that teacher education is my love, is my interest, and so I'm happy to come back to this field of my interest and come back to this profession with the Asian College of Teachers. Of course, I'm thankful to the Asian College of Teachers, particularly Dr. Sanjeev Chakravarti, the CEO and the Chief Trainer of ACT, who offered this post to me. And I'll be glad to help in every way in the college regarding the courses, the training, and whatever else I can do at the academic level. I was impressed by what Asian College of Teachers does. When I was offered this post, I went on to see the website of ACT, and I found that they have more than 100 courses in teacher education, and they have nearly 30,000 alumni. So I thought that ACT is doing good work in the field of teacher education, and it will be good if I join them, if I become a part of this college and I can contribute in any way, academically and administratively, to the improvement of the college and the courses. And of course, another thing which made me join ACT was that the college concentrates on the most important levels of education, that is pre-primary and primary. This reminds me of the year 1982 when I joined MPhil education in Delhi University, and there was a choice. There was a paper called seminar paper, and in that paper there was a choice between primary education, secondary education, and higher education. I opted for primary education because I always thought that primary education is the most important level, the most important stage of education. It is here that the foundations of the child are laid. It is here that the child develops, and according to some theories, the first 6 years or the first 8 or 9 years of a child's life are the most important in laying the foundation of his personality. And when I told my teachers in the interview for MPhil that I want to opt for primary education, at that time I was told that primary education has not been taken by any student for a long time, and so there is no expert in primary education, and this option cannot be taken. And I fought with my teachers and I said, no, this is the most important. And the Department of Education, which is also called CIE, Central Institute of Education, which is a prime institute in education in Asia, if they do not have any expert in primary education, it is not good. And I fought my way and I took primary education in that seminar paper, and I wrote a seminar paper on that, on primary education. I analyzed the expenditure being done, the importance being given to the 3 levels of primary education, secondary education, and higher education, and I found that primary education was the most neglected, and we were trying to balance an upturned pyramid. That means the base was up because higher education was given the most importance, and the base primary education was tapered and became a very small thing. So I found that at that time at least, primary education was being neglected totally, and more emphasis was being given to secondary education, and most emphasis was being given to higher education, whereas it should be the other way around. Primary education should be given the most importance because that is where the base lies, where the foundation lies. And I am happy that now primary education is being given some importance at least, and we have a separate training course for primary education. The diploma in elementary education is there. Earlier there was no separate course for elementary education, or even if it was there, it was not in a big way. It was not very. It was the intake was not very much, and B.Ed was being given importance. And even at the primary level, B.Ed, who has done B.Ed, was eligible to teach at the primary level. But now the National Council of Teacher Education India has prescribed DLED to be the eligibility condition for the primary teachers or elementary teachers, and this is a very important step in giving importance to primary education, though we have to go a long way even now, and we have to see to it that primary education is given a lot of importance. I am also happy that the new education policy, which has the draft of which has come in 2019, has given emphasis on primary education, and I hope this draft education policy, when it becomes a policy, primary education is given a lot of importance. So I am happy to join Asian College of Teachers. I wish Asian College of Teachers all the best, and of course now I am a part of it, so I would do my best to see to it that the Asian College of Teachers does well in every respect, and I contribute to it in every way I can.